How to create eBay account on phone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for eBay on mobile. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So to create an eBay account on your phone, first download the eBay app on your smartphone. Once you download it and install the eBay app on your smartphone, open eBay. And note, the process of creating eBay account on your phone will be pretty much same on Android and iOS. Once you open the eBay app, you will see this type of interface. And here to create an account, you can tap on register. And in case if you don't get this option, then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left. And here click on sign in. And as you have to create an account, click on create an account. And here to create your eBay account, first you need to put your first name and then your last name and then your email address, and you have to create a password. So let me fill up this information. And here gonna read your password should be at least 6 characters, including at least 1 letter, a number or symbol. So create your password on the basis of this. So let me create a password real quick. After creating your password, tap on register and wait for a few seconds. Now here you have to provide your contact information. First select your country. Here I'm gonna select India. And then you have to provide your address. And this is gonna be your shipping address. So here provide the address where you're gonna receive the products that you purchased on eBay. So here first enter your address. And then enter your city name. And then select your state. And also your PIN code, which is very important. Now after putting your PIN code, here you have to change your mobile number country code. So here I'm gonna select India +91 and I'm gonna put my phone number. After putting your phone number, tap on continue. And here it is. Now to see your account in this eBay app, first you have to sign in. So tap on sign in. And sign in to your eBay account using your email and password. So let me sign in real quick. After sign in, here you can tap on maybe later. And here it is. As you can see, let me click on this 3 horizontal line and here is my account. So if I click on here and if I click on profile, as you can see, I have successfully created an eBay account on my phone. And this is how you can create your eBay account on mobile. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to change your address on eBay, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.